Well, we're back with Katie Tucker from Sinas Dramis, a firm committed to injury prevention. And today we're discussing how to safely navigate construction zones when large commercial vehicles are involved. But first, Katie, how are you today?
I'm well. How are you?
Good. Very excited to talk about this today because these things happen everywhere. There's always a new construction zone. There might be one on your way to work that you normally would just overlook, but they're popping up more and more now. And it's good that we're getting a chance to really review what we need to know before we're in that situation. So first, Katie, construction zones are pretty stressful for a lot of us.
Right.
But why do they become even more dangerous when trucks or commercial vehicles are involved?
Great question, Rochelle. And as we head into the spring and summer, and we know in Michigan that means construction zone season, this is a really important topic to dive into. So with construction zones, essentially the room for error, the margin of error just becomes less, right?
Yes.
Lanes are narrower, traffic patterns shift, there are often workers present. All of these things just make that area more dangerous and more prone to serious collisions. And that especially is the case when we have a commercial vehicle, semi-truck or other large vehicle that's involved in the mix, because those types of vehicles require more space to turn and merge and stop. And that narrower space that's created in a construction zone just doesn't allow for that. So it's sort of a perfect storm and something drivers really need to be aware of and cautious, especially cautious of moving into the construction season.
That's right. Something we all need to be a little bit more vigilant of. And to be quite honest, we've all seen drivers speed through construction zones. Let's state the obvious. Tell us why that is so dangerous.
That is so dangerous and really heightens the risk for serious injury, again, because there is less room for error and less margin. Those traffic patterns shifting, lanes narrowing, all of those things, again, make it really imperative, especially when workers are present, the driver slow down. And as we know, in construction zones, speed limits are reduced, and that is required by law to slow down.
Okay. And speaking of, has the Michigan law made any attempt to actually address construction zones at all?
Great question, Rochelle. There was actually a law that was passed in December of 2024, but it didn't become effective until March of 2025, and actually there's a delayed implementation. So this spring, for the first time, we're going to see in construction zones in Michigan cameras. So this law permits cameras in construction zones in an effort to catch drivers who are speeding. There will be warning signs that will be erected to warn drivers that this is a zone that you're entering with a camera, and the cameras only operate where workers are present, but where workers are present, if a driver is speeding in excess of 10 miles an hour over that reduced speed limit for the construction zone, they can face serious fines and penalties. Those cameras will catch license plates and allow law enforcement to pursue those penalties against drivers who violate the new laws.
Well, Katie, thank you so much for going over all of that with us, because there's a lot that we can do to make ourselves, our construction workers, and just everybody else on the road a lot more safer. So of course, if you at home would like to review anything it is that Katie said, you can visit WILX.com, or if you want even more information, you can visit Sinas Dramis at the website listed below. But thank you for coming in.
Thank you for having me. Please be safe out there as we enter this construction season in Michigan.